What's up people, this is Ben from 4C Trading here for yet another dose of all things crypto and the current happening in the blockchain industry. And this week we will talk about Binance and their planned introduction of leveraged Bitcoin future. But before we continue, you all remember that Cryptomedics and Crypto Addicts have since merged to form 4C Trading? Right. Well, I have even more exciting news for you as we are rewarding you with as much $2,000 and 25% off your 4C Trading subscription if you can help promote us to your friends and followers on social media. And it's really simple. Simply like, follow our social media handles and share our pages. Start by registering for the contest using the link on the bio of this video. Back to Binance now. The crypto exchange CEO Changjang Pei, or CZ if you like, recently announced that his company would soon introduce Bitcoin future on their trading platform. He also revealed that this future trading will also be supported by leverage for up to 20. For starters, the Binance futures market will only support the Bitcoin USDT futures. CZ made the announcement during the just concluded Asia Blockchain Summit in Taipei, and he was also quick to add that the project is still a work in progress and that it will in the coming month open up to more digital coin futures. So you must be wondering, what does this mean for the company? And if you can't wait for the launch, when you can trade Bitcoin futures? Well, here is everything we know about the margin trading futures project. First, we believe it will be live sooner than you probably expected. During his keynote speech, CZ shared a screen grab of what the projected Binance future working system would look like. He wrapped it up saying that the system was already in beta testing and that simulated Bitcoin futures trading would be launched in the next few weeks. And while the CEO wasn't too forthcoming with the specific details, the company's spokesman would later be quoted saying that they were ready and set to launch in the fortnight. And based on the event dates, this places the much-awaited launch somewhere around July 11. Mark your calendars, people. He was also specific when he mentioned that they will start by allowing margin trading to give you access to leverage of up to 20 before following it up with the Binance Futures testnet launch a week later. So what does this mean for the Binance company? Note that Binance is without a doubt the largest crypto trading platform by trading volumes. I believe that by introducing margin trading for the most popular digital coin, Bitcoin, at such an attractively high leverage, Binance will help push their industry dominance a step further. Are there margin trading platforms that offer even higher leverage? Yes, BitMEX and Prime XBT each offer 100 times leverage, but none is as reputable as Binance. So what does this mean to you, the traders? For starters, it exposes you to more trading options. Today there are only so many types of Bitcoin trades you can execute. The launch of the Binance future, however, makes it possible to go long or short on the Bitcoin. And it is not just Bitcoin, because CZ promised to bring more crypto assets contract on board if the Bitcoin testnet proves successful. You can also look at it as another great and more reputable margin trading option, given that we already saw several other platforms offering the same service. These include experienced margin traders that had shied away from the ordinary trades or have been too hesitant with the trades. We expect the possibility of amplifying one's gain by over 20 times to draw user interest in the Bitcoin and the larger cryptocurrency trades. But while the promise of amplified returns and ability to go long or short on crypto assets contract may be appealing, is the crypto market ready for such a drastic move? Actually, the answer is yes. The readiness of the cryptocurrency industry for the crypto future and contracts came out clear when they were first introduced at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or the CME. and later on the BitMEX trading platform. At the CME, the Bitcoin futures trading its all-time record high for 3 consecutive days. Later, when these futures were introduced on the BitMEX trading platform, they hit a record 16 billion trading volume in a single day. We can only imagine the ETH having the futures trade on the most active crypto trading platform globally will achieve. We have already come to the end of this video and we can only wait to see the positive disruption Binance Future will have on the company itself, its registered trader and the larger crypto industry. But one thing remains certain, the Binance Future throw unmatched weight towards crypto future contract that may be just what was needed to push the crypto industry to the next level. And as a reminder, we at the 4C Trading would like you and your friends to become part of us. That's why we are giving you and them a chance to access the 4C Trading subscription for as low as 20% discount if you help us spread the good news about the cryptomedics and crypto addicts merger that birthed 4C Trading in one of the most effortless and straightforward popularization campaign. All you have to do is like, follow and subscribe to our different channel and page and share them with your social media friends and followers. And for every individual you invite, you get 1 point plus 10 more if they convince them to sign up with us. Don't know how to get started on start garnering points? Here is the trick. Register on the link below in the video description. Use the contestant's account to subscribe to this YouTube channel and gain 100 points. Yes, it's that easy. Until next week, keep safe and happy hunting!